Welcome back. In this second of a two-part episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll complete the installation of Cisco Business Dashboard version 2.8.1 on VirtualBox. Next. Jump right in by opening a web browser. Enter the DHCP-assigned administrative IP address you noted in Part 1. You may get a certificate warning during the initial setup. Proceed as necessary. Once the dashboard starts initializing, wait for the login page to load. Use the default credentials of Cisco for the username and password in all lowercase. Change them both to secure the system and click Save to confirm the changes. Read the privacy settings and click Next. This brings you to the System Setup Wizard. You can do these later by clicking Finish. However, these steps are important to ensure that the dashboard's network settings are consistent with your organization's infrastructure. To begin, and to move ahead to each new section, click Next. The first option in network configuration is to select the IP settings, where you can choose between DHCP and static IP addressing. I will continue with DHCP. The network settings reminder lets you know changes have been applied. If you have changed the IP address, please reconnect to the dashboard to continue setup. Moving forward, you should set the correct time zone and configure ports and security settings. Enter system variables, or to enter them later, click Skip. In the certificate renewal section, I'll opt for the default, Renew Self-Signed Certificate. Click Next. This will update the certificate for the current IP showing for the CBD. Upon completion of this step, a click on the Refresh Browser button may be needed to reconnect using the new certificate. After the refresh, you can continue with the wizard. Click Next to proceed. The wizard will then guide you through additional settings such as account types, enabling an SMTP server for email notifications, inputting organization details, and adding or updating users. These settings can be configured immediately or done at another time. One crucial feature to set up is the local probe, which is responsible for discovering devices on your local network. You'll need to enable the local probe and provide the credentials for the network devices to allow for proper device discovery and management. After entering all necessary credentials and settings in the wizard, click Next and then Finish. It's important to note that this installation does not include remote networks. They are set up separately as probe managed or direct managed networks. Reference the Quick Start guide for details. It will take time for the dashboard to load all features and begin the auto-discovery of the devices on your network. During this time, you may encounter a notification prompting you to leave the site. Select Leave to proceed to the main dashboard interface. As the device discovery process proceeds and completes, you'll see devices being discovered and added to the inventory summary. The dashboard will also provide an overview of the network infrastructure, and notifications will alert you to the status of devices. The About section will confirm the dashboard version. Any discovered devices will be listed with their respective details. Excellent. The dashboard is fully operational. Management is at your fingertips, providing real-time insights and control over your network. Remember to regularly check for updates and maintain your dashboard to ensure optimal performance and security within your network environment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.